Most people investing in Dubai real estate think they are getting 8 to 10% returns. But when the real number kicks in, after hidden fees, service charges and leverage, their profit looks very different. And here is the truth. If you are not calculating both ROI and ROE, you are not really investing, you are just guessing. Hello, I am Rahul Anand, a Dubai-based real estate consultant. Over the years, I have helped hundreds of investors from first-timers to $1 million buyers build profitable portfolios across Dubai. Today, I am going to break down on return on investment, which is ROI, return on equity, which is ROE, and how to calculate them correctly, and how they affect your buying decisions, especially in off-plan projects. ROE, which is return on equity, is actually net income divided by equity invested. This calculates your return based only on the cash you put in, and it is especially useful when you are using a mortgage or a payment plan. ROI tells you, is this good deal overall? ROE tells you, am I using my money smartly? Let's take a ready unit which is worth 1 million dirham, rented at about 80,000 dirham per year. Gross ROI is equal to 80,000 divided by 1 million is equal to 8%. But now let's factor in real costs. One-time purchase cost is actually Dubai Land Department 4% fees, which is equal to 40,000 dirhams. Agency fees, which is 2%, is equal to 20,000 dirhams. Trustee fees, title deed, NOC, etc. is about 7,000 dirhams. So total you end up spending 67,000 dirham. So your actual investment is not 1 million, but it's 1,067,000 dirhams. Now your yearly cost as a owner is service charges, which is about 15,000 dirhams. Vacancy plus maintenance buffer, which is about 3,000 dirhams. So net income is about 62,000 dirhams. So net ROI is equal to 62,000 dirham divided by 1,067,000 dirham equal to 5.8% your net ROI. Now let's say you took 75% mortgage and only paid 25% down payment, which is 250,000 dirham plus cost. Your total equity used is 250,000 dirham plus 67,000 dirham, which is equal to 317,000 dirham. Now your ROE is equal to 62,000 dirhams into 100 divided by 317,000 dirhams, which is equal to 19.5%. ROI is 5.8%, ROE is 19.5%. That's the power of leverage and why ROE matters. Off-plan properties work very differently, and the math can work in your favor if you choose wisely. Now let's take two example scenarios from real Dubai off-plan projects. So a project in Jebel Ali area, property price for a one bedroom is about 950,000 dirhams. Payment plan is 20% during construction and 80% over 3-year post handover. You pay now 190,000 dirhams. Your expected return after handover is about 72,000 dirham per year. Service charge plus maintenance is about 12,000 dirham. So your net income is 60,000 dirham. ROI based on full cost is 60,000 dirhams into 100 divided by 950,000 dirham, which is equal to 6.3%. Now ROE based on 190,000 only is 60,000 dirham into 100 divided by 190,000 dirhams, which is equal to 31.5%. Now that's how you create high ROE portfolios with your smart off-plan entry. And I am not even considering the property capital appreciation which you are going to get in next 3 to 4 years time. Plan B, pay 50% and sell before handover. Project location, Dubai Island. Purchase price is 1.4 million dirham. You pay 50%, which is equal to 700,000 dirhams. Market trend, project expected to appreciate 10 to 15%. Let's say you resell at 10% appreciation, which is equal to 1.54 million dirhams. Profit is 140,000 dirham. Your ROI is 140,000 dirhams into 100 divided by 1.4 million dirhams, which is your capital, equal to 10%. ROE, your profit is 140,000 dirhams into 100 divided by 700,000, which is your capital. Total ROE is 20%. Off-plan flipping is equal to potentially higher ROE. Just make sure the market, developer and demand are strong. Now most investors make one of these three mistakes. 1. Only look at gross ROI. 2nd, ignore fees, service charges and vacancy. 3rd, Never factor in leverage or payment plan, missing high ROE opportunity. ROI for asset quality, ROE for capital efficiency, and match these with right strategy. Hold, flip, short-term rent. ROI and ROE aren't just numbers, they are tools to help you choose the right project, decide on payment options, time your exit or hold, and build a portfolio that actually grows. I have built a detailed Dubai ROI and ROE calculator that you can use to test any property. Want a calculator? Message me below on WhatsApp. Link is in the description. If you are exploring off-plan projects with high ROI and ROE, I will show you the best options based on your goals. If this video helped you, like it, comment your questions below, subscribe for weekly tips, and hit the bell so you never miss out. This is Rahul Anand helping you invest smarter in Dubai real estate. See you in the next episode of Dubai Real Estate Masterclass.